Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today we're going to bring you one of our sparring drills. It's just a simple drill to help you work in and out of the pocket. But before we do that, I need you to go over to click the boxes to like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
So let's take this and start with a little bit of a flow drill, and then you can add it into your sparring. We're going to go from pre-contact, train a little bit of chi sao, and then work your way into grappling. So we're going to start dealing, we're going to take a three-piece. We're going to deal with a jab and a hook, okay? Then we're going to go with a body shot and work our way into chi sao. So in our pre-contact, Keith shoots the straight, I got a pak, and he pulls it back and doubles up with the same hand to a bu. So again, 1-2, it's going to be pak to bu. This time, we've done enough high stuff. He comes in low, and I want to utilize the low bone. From here, this is where my chi sao starts to be, because if he starts to ride up, I'm going to rotate this up. If he doesn't ride up, I'm still going to rotate it, and I'm going to go in with a pak punch. So now we're into cross-hand chi sao range. He's going to cover, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my elbow to come down and trap the arm. Check with the backhand and side palm. From here, we're going to wrap. And I know it's kind of hard to see. I'm going to keep his arms. He'd naturally be trying to move it. I'm going to take this in. I'm going to work my way into a guillotine. So again, let's look at it. We got a pak. We got a bu, a low bone, pak and punch, side palm, wrap my way in. So this works, as Keith and I were discussing earlier, even after working in, he might come for the shoot. So we're in here, we're working in pre-contact. Work our way through and strike. After this sets me up. I control here, utilizing this, and from here, once this is up, I can rotate this back up and work my way into a guillotine.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.